why your winter overnight bait isn't working and how to fix it fast. Hey everyone, I'm Sam Lee. If you love fishing or you're trying to level up your winter game, today's video is going to save you a lot of wasted bait. We're talking about a huge myth many anglers believe. Just throw in an overnight bait spot, and tomorrow you'll catch a ton of fish. Sounds great, until you try it and go home empty-handed. Today I'll break down the real secrets behind winter overnight baiting in a simple, friendly way so you can stop wasting bait and start catching fish. Let's get into it. Overnight bait isn't a magic button. A lot of anglers treat overnight bait like a guaranteed jackpot, but winter fishing doesn't work that way. In cold water, fish barely move. Their metabolism slows down. They stay close to warm, safe areas. They won't swim far to look for food. So if your bait isn't right next to where the fish are hiding, you're basically feeding the water, not the fish. Think of winter fish like people sitting in a warm room. Nobody wants to walk a mile in the cold just to get lunch. If you want results, you've got to bring the lunch to their door. 2 things that make overnight bait work. 1. Location beats bait every single time. Some brands claim their bait can attract fish from 30-50 meters away. Yeah, that's marketing magic, not real life. Even in summer, good bait usually draws fish within about 2 meters. Winter, even less. So your real job is finding the fish, not relying on fancy bait. Look for places with drop-offs, weeds, underwater structure, deep and stable temperatures. These are like winter apartments for fish, warm, safe and comfortable. 2. Use multiple spots, not just one. Putting all your hope into one overnight spot is risky. Winter fish are unpredictable, and their exact location changes day to day. That's why smart anglers set up 3-5 bait spots in the same structural area. The next day rotate through them. Which hole has bubbles? Which spot gets the first bites? Where do you see signs of fish? Whichever spot wakes up first, that's where the fish are. Ice fishing. How to find fish under the ice. If you're ice fishing in the north, here are some practical tricks to locate fish quickly. 1. Use summer memory. If you know the lake well, drill where you remember weeds, drop-offs, channels. These spots almost always produce. 2. Follow deep water channels. If you find a trench or river like underwater path, drill along the center. Fish love using these as winter highways. 3. Watch the bubbles. Look closely at the ice. More bubbles equals more fish activity. Wider patches equals oxygen movement beneath. Step lightly on thin ice and you might even see new bubbles forming, a super strong signal. 4. Check old holes. If last week's drill sites have scattered grains, loose bait, fish scales, that's a gold mine. Fish were here recently and probably still are. 5. Make your own oxygen hole. Open a wider hole, add straw or branches, then seal it. It keeps oxygen flowing under the ice, making fish hang around. Come back the next day, you'll be amazed at the difference. The real truth. Winter overnight baiting is not about how magical your bait is. It's about precision. If you find the fish, even simple bait works beautifully. If you don't find the fish, the best bait in the world won't help. So this winter, forget the miracle formulas. Focus on location, structure, depth and fish behavior. Do that and you will have your best winter season ever. Before you go, I'm Sam. I've been fishing for 10 years, and my videos aren't fancy, but they're real. I share practical fishing skills and real-world experience that actually help you catch more fish. Tell me in the comments, have you ever tried overnight baiting? Did it work for you? If this helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and save the video so you don't miss the next one. See you on the water.